Hey there, Virgin Galactic stockholders. Hope that you are going pretty well. Welcome back to my another video, and let's talk about situation with Virgin Galactic Holdings. What's going on? Okay, let's see the price chart, and you can see all these ways are accumulation in long term. You can see it's going crash, but it is accumulation again. Look, this one, all these parts are an accumulation, and the last accumulation could be this one. Look, the price is getting ready to go up. If you see here, look, in momentum there was discount from this point to this point, minus 35%. But by the way, the price is trying to get started. Look here, it wants to go up maybe, but only the time will show us the truth. Will Virgin Galactic stock get started from this point, or just it's part of accumulation and go up like this and go down again and staying in this accumulation longer period? I don't know, but I think that earlier or sooner the Virgin Galactic stock price will go up, and my average entry point is $6.01. I hold Virgin Galactic stock already over than 2 years in during a crash, and my average entry point is still 60.01 because I also use dollar cost average strategy to reduce my entry point down. And here you can see my entry point. It's already minus 45% discount from this entry point that I entered. The only plus 81%, and I will be not in minus. By the way, I have goals for this stock. The first one, in the worst case of scenario, is 843%. So, but if you enter in the current price, let's update the changes. If you buy in current one, and the price will be here, it will be 754%. Let's go to the next one. Look, another goal is here at $138. It will be 4,324%. But let's see what changes actually. Go here closer, and yes, it needs to change momentum. It needs to change this one. Go to the right side, this one, go up here, the current price, and go back here. It will be 4,000%. Okay, of course, let's reach this point first and then talk about 4,000% or something else like 9,600%. So here are my goals that you can see, but this is pretty high risk, and this is, I don't know, this is optimistic goal like $1,190. Okay, the first more realistic goal is this one, $138, and then talk about 9,000%. It is about $292. So this one is uh, less realistic, but it's, I will not say it is not possible. Okay, this is about the goals of Virgin Galactic. Okay, let's update, and we can see how much percent changes. And let's see it again. Here 800, 852 become, and this one momentum, I want to go there. And what if you buy right now and price will reach close to $100? You could earn 2,824%. So this goal is also realistic, of course, because $100 for Virgin Galactic, I think that there is no problem. By the way, the price is still cheap, and you can buy Virgin Galactic stock in current price before it's going too late. So after getting out from this accumulation, I don't mean from this accumulation, if the price will come here and go up, it is will be too late to buy, by the way. Or entering into the grid, it's also not a good idea. By the way, it's begin the grid because the price here already green. By the way, from this point to this point, it's already plus 12%. Of course, it's better to buy at this point, but by the way, maybe could be a beginning, and you just there is no problem if you buy 12% expensive if your goal is long term. It is not a mistake buying 12% expensive. Now let's see the website again. Long time I didn't open and didn't show you. Here the website of Virgin Galactic. And if I am going down, look, when I'm scrolling up, the design has been changed like this. But when I scroll down, look what's going on. Look, you can turn on video.
A little bit more. Let's rotate.
My name is Megan Hallam, and I'm the Director of Technical Operations, Analysis, and Performance here at Virgin Galactic. When I joined the company, we walked into an empty hangar. This was all a fresh slate. Two of our manufacturing managers put together a plan to create this flow across the spaceship factory. The assembly tooling in the spaceship factory has been a complete game changer from how we built our previous ships. We've been receiving parts from our partners, primarily metallics and composites, so we've got a lot of sub-assemblies built across the shop. There's a ton of exciting work happening at the spaceship factory right now. When parts come into the factory from our suppliers, we inspect them and prepare them for assembly.
Alright, you can watch in the end later with yourself. Go down. Here you can see this information. Go down again. Here you can see again something else. Just I'm scrolling down quickly. Your gateway to space, and you can see this airplane. Go down. Come closer to here. You can see I'm going closer. Wow, wow, wow. Once an astronaut, always an astronaut. Go down here. This information. Ready to make history? Sign up to receive exclusive access to future spaceflight reservation sales, and you can sign up. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's see another information about estimates. We can see earnings and revenue. Estimated date is Wednesday, 5 November 2025. Period ending September 2025. And estimate like this. Let's see the news here. Virgin Galactic evaluating valuation after sweeping changes to company governance. And here you can read information. By the way, Virgin Galactic Holdings is shaking things up, but not with a new rocket launch or high-profile passenger mission. Let's see another one. Virgin Galactic just settled with investors over issues with Unity 22, how to claim your payout. And let's read this information here. You can see all this information. It's available. I will leave the link down below and you can read yourself. Okay, let's read this first one. Virgin Galactic has finally agreed to settle a lawsuit from investors who say the company had serious safety issues tied to its spaceflight program, specifically around the much hyped Unity 22 mission. The settlement, announced in June 2025, comes after years of drama including FAA investigations, flight delays, and the tanking stock price. Okay, go forward. Another one. Space call option search lifts stock, but 13 billion loss and safety settlements still hunt. Again, the FUD news maybe. Here you can see Virgin Galactic share jumped 5.9% after uh, unusual options actively saw call trading spike 142% above average. Institutional investors, including uh, Amerisp and Wells Fargo, have been raising stakes, signaling renewed interest. Signaling here. Key highlights: 43,851 call options traded, up here 142% from normal value. Here stock rose how much percent? Q2 EPS loses, quarter revenue like this one, and analysis split 1 buy, 2 hold, 1 sell, average price target 4.81. It's funny. 4.81 price target, but I said my price targets. The minimum here to get out from accumulation, to touch to this resistance level, and then go up here to the 754%, and then go up to the okay, let's go here to the almost 3000%, and then go to hit this level like 138, and the next it will be later. Okay, come back here. I see that they basically provide FUD news, maybe negative news, because price on the bottom, and they are making to afraid people to buy Virgin Galactic while the company is on the bottom, when the company is undervalued and no one believe in this company. Only 1% or 5% of people believe on Virgin Galactic, but other people are not believe, of course, because price on the bottom, right? Alright guys, it's already almost 14 minutes that I am talking in this video. So thanks for watching. If you find my video helpful, then like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to support me and support my channel. Also, feel free to join to my Telegram channel, link down below in the description or in my bio. I want to remind that Virgin Galactic stock is electronic technology and aerospace and defense. Now I am saying you, see you in the next video. Hold your positions, or you can start investing in Virgin Galactic in current price, and bye bye. See you the next time.